that's not what this video is about. This video is about this box here. The Tojiro knife. Tojiro is a very good knife manufacturer in the knife world. They're saying it says just buy a Tojiro. Box anymore. Here we are. This is the Origami knife. Let's see. Tojiro. The handle has been folded metal. This series is designed getting hints from origami, a traditional Japanese play. I thought it was paper. Worked with well-experienced expert craftsmen of press machines and dies in developing, and it made it possible to realize the particle that was said impossible. The amazing skill is making kitchen knife just by folding and bending a sheet of steel as accurate as the beautiful origami. Folded metal handle. It doesn't look that comfortable, but it could prove me wrong. Oh, pops open. And yeah, it doesn't have any guards or anything. It's just straight metal. Ooh, yeah, it's not super duper light, but it's fairly reasonable for what it is. I like the geometry of it. Oh, this is very sharp. This is made of composite, I guess. No, this is mono steel. This is one sheet metal. And it wraps around. I'm gonna go look at that. Not my idea of folded steel, but bent steel maybe. Bent steel. I guess folded in the shape of a handle. Oh, it's very, very unique. Yeah, you're not gonna see this anywhere else. Tojiro for making this kind of unusual, artistic products. There's like a dip there, so when you're chopping in, your fingers clear the cutting board. So this is considered a Gyuto, or a cow knife for meat, but I'm sure you can use it for other things. Yeah, this will do nicely when I'm chopping. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Yeah, Tojiro is a very reputable brand. Just get a Tojiro. Origami, made in Japan. Balance point is actually in the handle. Right about there. That's the balance point. So you can't choke up too much or you're falling backwards when you're chopping. Which is, I guess, okay, because most people hold it from over here instead. Cleaning it might be a challenge. I'm trying to get like a brush or something. I don't think this thing comes with a brush, does it? Oh, wait a minute. This thing does come with a... Well now. Okay. You get down on your bad self. Origami. Oh, there are instructions in here too. Okay. It's been folded up in there. It's an origami reference. But yeah, this goes in here. Help clean this thing out. Yes, now I'm happy. It has everything you need. Check. Cut paper. Oh, yes. Yeah, it can cut paper. Very sharp. In the picture. Okay, well, yeah, no need I say more? Just get a Tojiro. Just buy a Tojiro.